just try to understand. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did, you finally pushed me away. Told everyone my secrets, though I begged for you to keep it to yourself. Thought that you could buy my love, but I don't want that at all. You know I don't care about that. It was so exhausting, so I lost it, had to make it stop. Didn't really feel like giving you the chance to make it up. You asked me what's the problem, to be honest, it was you. That's the truth. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did, it finally pushed me away. Looking back, what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to leave and I'm glad, because now I know how it goes. Looking back, what a messed up time it was. Figured out how to leave and I'm glad, because now I know. It really was such a bad plan, 'cause I really think you wanted me to stay. Everything you did, it finally pushed me away. Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue.
Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. I just want to talk to you for a few minutes about what's going on with this painting. As you can see, there's some really beautiful bleeding happening. So the GAC Magic is a really great mixture. I'll put the recipe down in the description. And these color art primary element pigments, but they bleed into that white paint. And I just find it really, really beautiful. And I'm kind of bringing in some more defined lines and just kind of organically and playfully creating the shapes and the composition. And yeah, I just wanted to let you know a little bit more. There's an artist, his name's Josh Jensen, and I found his work really inspirational. Just sort of the way he creates shapes with organic movement, and that's kind of where this concept was born. The GAC Magic recipe was inspired by the talented Melissa Dion Murphy, MELD. She hasn't been painting the last couple years, but she was a terrific inspiration to this type of work as well. And I just love the direction this is going. I'm going to be taking this onto a large canvas very soon, so I'm excited about that. This is fun on a small canvas, but it's really fun on a bigger canvas because there's a lot more room for the composition to sort of expand and change, and it just becomes more dynamic. And I do call this my GAC Magic technique, which I will be teaching at a few different events next year on Deer Lake and Fluid Art Experience. So those are, just keep your eyes open and peeled if you want to be kept up to date on my events that I'm teaching live. Drop me an email or drop me your email address in the comments, or you can get onto my website, stmodernart.com, and fill out the contact form, and I can keep you posted on everything that's going on, including new available artwork and events and just what's going on in my world. So I love staying in touch. I love connecting with other artists and collectors and all that. So much love. I'm going to figure this out and then I'll show you the dry work. Oh, here it comes.
Looking quite beige, got me deep in the haze. There's no more compassion, no. Raise me, I need something fast, I need something to last and give satisfaction, no. How big is your love?